Alright, welcome to this video. In this video I'll try to pick a challenge lock that's called Bishton Rock. I think it's from Daz Evers, from the marking right there on the side. So start picking right away. Making sure the key works well. That's too big. We'll go with this. Try to see if we can get that guy open. Gotta click right off a good false set out of pin 2 right away. I'm looking for counter rotation off of 4. I think I got it set. And 3 gave me a little deeper false set just by brushing it. Now we're looking for the next binder. Okay, counter rotation on 1. I think I might have overset it a bit. We'll see how that goes. Since I've set that pin, kind of feels weird, so I'm just going to ease back. There we go. Number 1 came dropping back down. I'm going to go a little easier on it now. There we go. Now it's set. Now it's going to be number 3. 3 is set. What's the dog now? I think it was 5. 5 gave me a little something. 3, 4. Lost the tension wrench, but I think the lock did not move, so I guess I'm good. I'm gonna go in the back. Just gonna switch to my deforest. I mean, this is the kind of lock that works really well with that deforest. I'm looking for any kind of feedback now. Okay, so I'm just going to ease off on the tension again because nothing drops back down, so I'm just need to find the right binder now. Okay, number 2, give me a little something. Man, these pins are sticky. Got a good click out of pin number 4. Back of this lock feels all mushy. I'm not sure why. Okay, number 1 is okay. Number 2 is okay. Number 3, I think I've set something. Number 4 gave me a really deep false set. Hanging on just 1 pin here, but I'm really deep into a false set, so I may have to give it manual counter rotation if I can find which. Oh, there we go. So there was something in the back there that was holding me up. Perfect. So we're gonna cut this guy. Try to see what Mr. Daz Evers have put in there. Where are my tools are right here. So what have we got here? We got a standard C clip. I'm just gonna lock it back up because I just don't want to make a mess here. Move the camera a bit. There we go. I'm not in a very good position to work on it. My battery is running low, so I have to hurry up on this one. Oh, it's one of the bendy clip ones. I hate these things. Okay. There's a big notch behind the core here, so oops. I'm gonna slip a sheet in there. So what do we got here? Got lots of T-pins. I see threading in most of the chambers. Let's drop these and have a closer look. So that's number 1. Serrated. We got a T-pin in number 2. Another T-pin in 3. Standard in 4. And 5 is really spoolish. And we got threading in every chamber. If I go okay, number 1 is a very tight spool. I've got an old crammed up copper spool in number 2. These are really short, really short pins. That's 3. Okay, the spring won't come out for this one. And go from the back. There we go. Okay, number 4. Spring is real stuck. Oh, it's a double spring, that's why. So, do I see something in there? Let me see. No, I don't see any threading on top, so let me show you these pins before my battery dies out. Those are really nice pins. You can definitely see the action there on top. So these are oriented that way. This is standard. So there you have it. So I think it's Daz Evers, Bishton Rock, Challenge Lock, Bishton Gutted. Thank you very much, guys, for watching.